Hello students, today I have made this video only for the purpose that how much syllabus is reduced in this year in your subject, that is mathematics, ISC board, because you know that CISCE board New Delhi has been reduced the syllabus about 25% in all the subjects including mathematics. Here I have made this video to explain that which topic has been removed from your syllabus chapter wise and also which exercise has been removed. Because in the syllabus, what is given in the site, this is the new syllabus, reduced syllabus, but not told about the which exercise has been cut, which topic has been cut, means not compared with the old syllabus which you are studying. That is the I have compared because I have the both the syllabus here, old syllabus and new syllabus, and I have compared, studied, and then I have taken the reference of the book ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, that is by Arya publication, and then which exercise has been removed. I will tell you according to chapters, means chapter wise and topic wise. So if you watch this video till the end, you will get the sufficient knowledge about your syllabus that which topic or exercise will not come in the coming examination. I am talking only for the examination that when the paper comes from the council, because maybe in other schools, in the home examinations, the teacher, this depends on the teacher, but according to my views, according to me, everyone should follow the syllabus prescribed by the council. That is why I am telling. I am taking the reference of this book only because there are so many books in the market, that is a S. Chand publication, R.D. Sharma, and there are so many Nutan publication. There are but I have taken this book because of this book generally maximum schools prescribe the book Arya publication by Arya publication by ML Agrawal, ISC Mathematics. In my school also it is prescribed. Now I come to the chapter 1. But do you know why it is reduced? Yes, because of pandemic, corona disease. Because no students are going to the school from last 3 months, and also the teachers are teaching only from online, and online teaching is not the substitute of the class teaching. That is why the council has been reduced this syllabus about 25%. So I talk the chapter wise and which topic has been removed. Only I will tell you which topic has been removed and which exercise according to this. The first chapter, sets and function, in the section A, there is no topic that has been removed, means every exercise, every topic will come. But in relation and function, the topics has been removed, that is the real valued functions, domain and range of these functions. Domain and range of the function is another thing, but domain and range of the real valued function is another thing. Real valued function means when we have the real value as the domain or any subset, one subset, at least one subset is the real. So in that case, this is called the real valued function. Identity, polynomial, rational, modulus, sinum, exponential, logarithm, greatest integer function with their graphs, sum, difference, product and quotient of the functions. Everything has been removed. From real valued function, it is removed. It means the exercise and also the sketches of graph of exponential function, everything. A graph will also not come. So the exercises in this book are ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.6, 2.7 means, again I am repeating, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. These four exercises will not come in the coming examination. 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 and 2.7 will not come. Now chapter 3, trigonometry, that is very good chapter, but because this is the lengthy one also, so the topic which is not so important, the council has been removed. And what are the topics? The first one is the sign of the domain and range of the trigonometric functions and their graphs. Domain and range of the trigonometric functions and their graphs. Trigonometric equations like sine theta is equal to sine alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Similarly, angles and arc length, conventions of sine angles, magnitude of an angle, measures of an angle, the relation S is equal to r theta, theta is the radian, definition of trigonometric function with the help of unit circle, truth and of the identity, questions of the area of the sector of circle, these are removed. Also graph of simple trigonometric functions also removed. Graph of all the trigonometric function, sin x, cos x, tan x, these are removed. So what you have to trigonometric equations has been removed. These are the removed. Therefore, in this book ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, I have seen the exercises which has been removed. Exercise 3.1, 3.4, 3.8, 3.9. These four exercises has been removed. 3.1, 3.4, 3.8 and 3.9. So you can cancel from your book these exercises. Now I talk about the chapter 4, that is principle of mathematical induction. In this there is nominal only one topic has been removed, and that topic is inequalities of algebraic expression. Inequalities of algebraic expression has been removed. When I check the exercise, so exercise 4.2, that is the important one. In 4.2 only question number 22 has been removed. Only question number 22 in this book. Therefore you have to study full chapter mathematical induction. Then the complex number. In complex number chapter 5, the will come especially the locus questions on complex number and triangle inequality. These has been removed. Locus questions and triangle inequality. So what are the exercises in the complex number related to these locus questions जो आर्गन प्लेन होते हैं एंड ट्रायंगल इनइक्वालिटी भी रहती है? तो एक्सरसाइज 5.2 and exercise 5.4, these two exercises has been removed. 5.2, 5.4. Now chapter 6, quadratic equations. In quadratic equations there are the questions exercises has been removed, but the point wise equations reducible to quadratic form. Means in this book the exercise 6.2 will not come in the examination. 6.2, because in every question you have to reduce into the quadratic form, so it will not come equation reducible to quadratic form. Then the question which are related to that is the alpha and beta are given, and find the equations whose roots are the alpha cube, beta cube, alpha plus beta, 1 upon alpha plus beta, like this. These types of question will also not come. Means in exercise 6.4 the question related to alpha and beta root, and then find the equation of the another roots, like question number 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. in this book. Now exercise 7, chapter 7, inequalities. Inequalities, you have read in class 10 about the inequalities, one variable. So that is why the some topics has been removed, like algebraic solution of linear inequalities in one variable, their representation on the number line, graphical representation of linear inequalities in two variables, graphical method of finding a solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. These are removed, and also in equation of rational number fx upon gx is also removed. So therefore what you have to remove from your chapter in this book ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, what I saw: 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7 till 7.4 you have to cut the exercises, complete exercises, because these will not come in the examination. In 7.5 only question which are based on quadratic inequation, quadratic. So question number 1, 2 and 3 in the exercise 7.5. Now I talk about the permutation and combination, chapter 8. Permutation and combination. In permutation, the circular permutation will not come. Circular permutation means 8.5, exercise 8.5 will not come. And the question which are mixed problem, like permutation and combination, means both, where in the question in which the permutation and combination both comes, that will not come, means exercise 8.7. So 8.5 and 8.7 will not come in the examination. Now chapter 9, binomial theorem, everything will come, इसमें कोई कट नहीं है. In sequence and series in sequence and series, in this chapter, arithmetic series, arithmetic progression and geometric progression, the topic will not come. These are the arithmetico-geometric series will not come in the examination. And also the special sums, sigma n square, sigma n cube, these will also not come in the coming examination. So exercise 10.8 and 10.9 means last two exercises will not come in this chapter at sequence and series in this book, ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal. You can search in other book also related to these topics. Now the chapter 11, coordinate geometry, means straight line. It started the straight lines. In the straight line, as you have read in class 10 about the equation of the line, like slope intercept form and 1 point form, 2 point form, about the slope, about gradient, perpendicularity, parallel case. So these you have read. That is why in this syllabus now it is not included. The straight line slope or gradient of a line not included. Condition of perpendicularity not included, parallelism not included, various forms of the equation of line like slope intercept 2-point form not included. Now what is so equation of family of lines also not included, equation of a locus not included. So which exercises has been cut in this exercise, in this chapter? 11, straight line. 11.3 will not come, 11.4, 11.5 and 11.8. These four exercises will not come. Again I am repeating, 11.3, 11.4, 11.5 and 11.8. These exercises will not come in the coming examination. I am talking only for this year, not for the next year, that is 2022. This is only for 20 and 21. Now the circle chapter, in circle chapter chapter 12, which topic has been removed by the council? That is the tangents, condition of tangency, equation of a tangent to the circle. Means exercise 12.4 and 12.5. These two exercises has been removed from the chapter circle, which are related to the tangent. So in this book you have to see the exercise 12.4 and 12.5 will not come in the examination. Now calculus, that is chapter 13, limits and derivative. So limits involving exponential and logarithm function will not come, means exercise 13.3 will not come, in which the limit x tending to 0, e to the power x minus 1 upon x, that type of limits will not come, and this is given in exercise 13.3 in the ML Agrawal book. Then chapter 14, statistics and probability. Statistics, chapter 14. Which chapter, this is the section A, statistics and probability. So only mean, which type of which topic has been removed? Analysis of frequency distribution with equal means but different variance. Mean deviation about median, these will not come. About median will not come. Only the chapter, only the topic related to mean will come. Matlab mean about median has been cancelled. Mean about mode also cancelled. Median and mode also cancelled. Only about the mean will come. Mean variance and standard deviation also will come. So exercise 14.5, exercise 14.5 will not come, or you can say the question which are related to the mean, that will come. Also the standard deviation will come, variance will come, but in which the mean, median, mode asking, or deviation about median, deviation about mode, so उसमें से सिर्फ मीन आएगा, मीडियन और मॉड नहीं आएगा, तो ये देख लेंगे. Then in probability the full chapter will come, there is no cut. Now section B, conic section. In the conic section the exercise, first exercise, because it is, there are the three curves, that is the parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. In these the applications are also there, but which one will come, or which one, the topic which are not included now, in which the vertex is changed, means from 0, 0 to another point, like the y minus beta whole square is equal to plus minus 4a x minus alpha, x minus alpha whole square is equal to plus minus 4a y minus beta. Similarly in the ellipse, x minus alpha whole square upon a square plus y minus beta whole square upon b square is equal to 1, and in hyperbola x minus alpha whole square upon a square minus y minus beta whole square upon b square, and the condition of tendency to these curves will not come. So I saw the book and then exercises, which exercise will not come. Exercise 1.3 will not come, exercise 1.6 will not come, and exercise 1.8 will not come. So these three exercises will not come in the coming examination. And then chapter 2, introduction to three-dimensional and mathematical reasoning. These two chapters, as it is, you have to study every point. Now in the section C, statistics, section C statistics, the topic deciles, percentiles and mode of grouped and ungrouped data will not come. These topics will not come, and according to this topic, the exercise 1.3 and 1.4 will not come in the section C, statistics section C. Those wants to study, because there are two sections. Section A is compulsory for all, but section B and section C, there is a choice. Some students can opt for section B or can go for the section C. तो ये हम सेक्शन सी बता रहे हैं इस समय. तो स्टैटिस्टिक्स 1.3, 1.4 exercise will not come, and in chapter 2, correlation analysis. Correlation analysis, the Spearman rank correlation will not come in the coming examination. That is, exercise 2.3 will not come in the examination. And the chapter last chapter, index number and moving averages, everything will come. But if the period is even, then the entered moving average is to be found out, the plotted. Period is even, तो ये plot करना नहीं आएगा, otherwise everything will come in this chapter, index number and moving average. So by this way I conclude my topic, that is which chapter or exercise topic wise will not come in the coming examination. So thank you everyone. Okay, God all the best.